Well, good afternoon. I promise you I'm not crying wolf this time. The Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday sale comes to a close tomorrow, the 19th. It's been a good couple of weeks. As you recall, the first 4 days were for Inside Track Club members. And then the last weekend was for everyone. On Monday, they extended the sale to everyone again, and they just extended the entire sale with the caveat you had to have super coupons. So with that said, there's many good deals. As you know, they've got the pliers and screwdrivers of the major brands at 35% off. That's worth going over there if you haven't. The tie downs and different things to strap things down and bungee straps and kits are at 35% off. The gloves, Hardy brand, all of them are at like 40% off. So there's some super deals over there just waiting to be had if you hadn't had a chance to go to the store. So I recommend don't put it off. You only got one more day. Typically the Spring Black Friday sales and the November Black Friday sales are some of the best they ever have, at least for the year. So there are some super deals, and I'm going to go over a few of them again. You could reference some of my other videos on the percent off sales, because I actually have them broke down in grid form so that you can see, you know, if it's $21.98, it's coming in at $15 or whatever. You'll understand if you watch a couple of those videos. I hope this brings you some value, and it maybe jogged your memory. Hey, I need to run over to Harbor Freight and get these things. And if you do appreciate this content, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. It helps my channel. And here we go. Right, as promised, here we go. As I mentioned, the Braun lights are all 40% off, and that's any of the Braun lights. So as you well know, if you've been in Harbor Freight, there's a pretty good selection. Anything from the small lanterns, which I picked up a few of. These are, to me, emergency lights. They're $2.98 a piece during the sale. To the, you know, the overhead lights, to the LED outside lights. Any Braun light, 40% off. All the elastic ratcheting and E-track tie downs, I replace these fairly often, especially the bungee cords. If you leave them out in the weather at all, of course they, you know, deteriorate rapidly. So it's good to have some new ones on hand at all times. The Hardy gloves I mentioned, of course the nitrile and the vinyl gloves are very handy in the little box that's got 50 pairs in it. But the mechanics gloves and the leather gloves are also 40% off. So, you know, a $20 pair is going to cost you what? 12 bucks. So, pretty good deal. These batteries are a super deal. And that includes the little kits for the power, so you can plug the battery in and plug like a lamp or a fan in it. 30% off, one more day, and that's any of the brands for their power tools. The Doyle, Quinn, and Icon brand pliers and screwdrivers, that remains one of the best deals they had going. 35% off. They still got a tremendous selection. By extending the sale, they've had opportunity to restock the shelves. And I was in the store, I don't know, 30 minutes ago, picking up a few more things. They still had most of these things in stock. So you should be able to still pick up and have a good buying experience. Other highlights, of course, the backpack sprayer is always nice. $19.99, normally $29.99, so that's a deal. You guys that don't have an angle grinder at all, today's the day, and tomorrow, $11.99, take your super coupon. Cut off wheels, I knew I forgot something. I think I'll run back over there. Anyway, cut off wheels, 10 pack, $3.98. I don't know about you guys, but you know, if you cut a few pipes or a few things of metal with these, they go pretty quick. So a 10 pack for $3.98 is just kind of hard to beat. The jacks are a tremendous value. They have jacks of every type in there, the rapid pumps, the extended reach, different tonnages. The bottle jacks are a super value. So if you're in the market or need a jack, it might be a good time to get it. The plier sets, there's a super coupon, but you're going to do just as well using the master coupon on those. There's that little lamp I mentioned, that pop-up lantern. These things are very valuable anytime. Of course, they put out pretty good light, but especially just to stick in a drawer for $3 during a power outage, you're going to be thankful you have it. There's a little lightweight 4-drawer tech cart for $169.99, and that is the U.S. General brand. Comes in multiple colors, as you can see. And there's another U.S. General 56 by 22 rolling cabinet, $7.99, saving $100 off of it. I love their Badland Farm Jacks. It's a 48-inch for $79.99. That's knocking $20 off. This triple ball trailer hitch, I know I mentioned it in some of the other videos. For $22, it's a very handy find, especially if you pull more than one type of trailer with a different ball. You will appreciate having that. The heat gun, I've had one just like that for many years. It's half price, $9.98. If you don't have one at all, I think it's a very good value. Safety glasses, let's face it, we all don't use them like we should. At 98 cents, we don't have an excuse not to. Pick you up a few pair. They have the sunglass style or the yellow style or the clear. 98 cents a pair, no reason not to have them. This is I think a hidden sale item, this pressure washer. This is 1800 PSI, 1.2 gallon per minute. It's made by Bauer, $69.99 during the sale, $30 off. It's hard to find a pressure washer any cheaper than that that's of a good quality. Their engines, I got a couple of nice engines on sale, $50 off on this one. It's a 13 horse. And then that one beside of it there is a 6.6 horse for $144.99. It's $35 off. Another sleeper deal is that 100-watt super lightweight flexible solar panel. Take the power with you. It's only 100 watts, but hey, get a couple of them. 100 watts will run a fan, a couple of lights, a sound system. So even without a battery, of course you have to have some way to convert the power, but an inverter. But if you hook that to a little battery, it'll run some stuff around a campground or a picnic for several hours. They got deals on post hole diggers. This one's actually an Atlas battery operated, $249.99. Tremendous deal, $40 off. And if you partake of the battery deal, you can pick you up a couple of batteries reasonably inexpensive. They also have a gas powered, I believe it's on sale for $169.99, which is terribly hard to beat. That pole saw, if you've watched my other videos, you know I said I had one. The only thing that ever went wrong is when I first got it, for some reason, the chain got on it backwards. Don't ask me how that happened. Anyway, I thought it was crap. I took it apart, looked at it, and I said, well, let's try flipping the chain. Guess what? It worked like a charm, and it's worked ever since. Gas can, of course, everybody needs these fly swatters. Haha, I have one. Little power taps, that $14.99 power tap, 4-foot metal. It's got multiple outlets. It says 12. That's pretty handy above any of your workbenches or anywhere you need power and multiple items plugged in at once. That Bauer 2.8 amp 5-inch orbital sander for $19.99. I think that's also another sleeper. It's 50% off. It's corded, but that is a super great deal. It really is. This Hercules bandsaw at $139, and then they have a stand that you can set it on for $89. If you pair those together, you got a pretty nice setup. There it is right there, the bandsaw stand. These Chicago Electric 10-inch sliding compound miter saws, for a contractor you'd say, oh, that thing's too cheap, whatever. And you're probably right. However, I'm just a do-it-yourself guy over 60, and this thing has been very useful to me. I've had mine for probably 10 years. It still works. I have it set up in the basement. I have a portable stand, and I have a permanent stand that I put it on when it's just sitting in the house. And I highly recommend it at that price. Heck, buy one every 5 years if you're a do-it-yourselfer versus spending $300 or $400 on another brand. There's a inexpensive stand. I do have that stand. Same deal. I've had it for years, and when I need it, it's there. I take it out in the yard or wherever. It does the job for me. I don't use this thing every day, but when I need it, it's always been there for me. Those little plastic ammo boxes, I've got several. Get them for all your different ammo types is what I did, and then put labels on each one. So when I need 9mm or 20 gauge shells or whatever, it's easy to spot, and it's in its own container. It's not all mixed up with stuff. They got those air hoses, $14.99 for 50 foot and $29.99 for the 100 foot. That's a 3/8 inch rubber hose, 1/4 inch NPT fitting. Super good deal. The mini toolboxes, they're handy, and they're I know lots of people like them just for trinkets and whatever, but as you can see, there's multiple colors there. That's 26% off during the sale, $13.99. Compressors, they got several good values, so check those out while they're $40 off, $359.99. The gun cases, the safes, the one on the right there, of course, is if you got the money, it's a very good unit for the price. It's $100 off, $529.99. If you don't have one at all, that $149 will help you secure your guns away from children. So I highly recommend you at least get that. Those impact rated bits, that's a 5-piece, $2.99. I don't think you're going to buy them any cheaper the rest of the year or anywhere else. So if you need some, pick them up while you're there. I mentioned bottle jacks, several good values. Metal ammo cans, $8.98, great value. They've got a couple of good welders on sale. Here's a professional multi-process welder with 120. It's $349. That's $250 off. If you're needing to get into the welding game, right there it is. Best deal you're going to find anywhere, I am convinced. And then there's a welding helmet right there with it, $27.99, 37% off. Excuse me, 30% off. I'm out here in the sunshine, sorry. The light's shining through my window here. Hand trucks, I know they have this one that you can move furniture and heavy boxes with for $59.99, which is a deal. They also have the portable one right here, which I highly recommend everybody have one for utility. It's marked off to $24.99, 28% off during the sale. Super deal, it really is. And I believe that's all I'm going to go over for now, because I was really just wanting to put something out there once again, last minute. You still got another day, and you got till closing time today to partake. I hope this has helped you if you forgot about it or you just didn't even realize it was going on. Well, the sale's about to end, so if there's some things you've been wanting on Harbor Freight, go to the website or check out my vids. I've went over most of the items that are on sale. And until the next video, y'all take care.